Hey YouTube, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making this delicious Jamaican style stew chicken. So here I have my pre-seasoned chicken. Now this is a whole chicken that I cut up into sections, seasoned it with onions, thyme, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, all-purpose seasoning. Left it in the freezer overnight. I took it out about an hour before I was ready to cook. Now in a pan with some heated oil, I'm gonna go in with my chicken and I'm gonna fry them on each side for about 5 to 6 minutes each side. Now this is just to get a nice color on the chicken, as I won't be using any browning for this recipe. Once I had a nice color on the chicken, I mean, you look at this chicken, it just, oh, the color in it is just popping up. Don't watch that bone. I kind of butchered the chicken whilst I was chopping it up. So, you know, that bone, they kind of stick up. But, you know, for maneuver the thing, so that don't really matter. So after frying my chicken, I'm going to go ahead and remove the first batch. I did this in 2 batches. Then I'm going to go ahead and fry the second batch. Just going to be the same procedure for this one. I'm using this one has most of the breast on it, so I'm going to reduce the time a little bit, not much, because I still want a beautiful color. Don't worry about it drying out, because once you cook down this chicken, the chicken will just be, I mean, we know so the breast kind of look a bit drier than the rest of the chicken, but it's not dry. So go ahead and remove your chicken, and then we can proceed to the next step. Now, I don't know about you guys, you know, but you see, when I'm frying chicken, like, especially when I'm trying bits of chicken like this, and the bits that I know that are smaller and will definitely fry all the way through, you know, this piece right there, so this bony piece. Now, if you know that's going to the side, because that's my little munch. But don't get me wrong, the chicken that we fried is not 100% cooked. It's just about 80%. I would say about 75% cooked. So I'm going to remove most of the oil from the pan. I went in with some onions, chopped onions, sauteed that for a bit, and then I went in with about a tablespoon of tomato puree. I'm going to fry this off for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'm going to re-add my chicken. Once I've added the chicken, I'm going to give it a little mix to make sure the onion, I just like the fried onion taste in there. And then what I'm going to do is going to add some water to the container that the chicken was pre-seasoned in and add it to the pot. Then I'm going to turn this onto a medium heat, cover it, and just let it cook away for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the thyme, the scotch bonnet pepper, the onions, the garlic, everything was not wasted. Everything is just gone into the pot. Now, whilst this is going on, I went ahead and cut up some carrots and some potatoes, and I'm going to add this to the pot. I did have a little bit of mixed frozen peppers, so I added that as well. Went in with my carrot and peppers and just cover this and let this simmer down for about another 15 minutes or until your potatoes are cooked. Before this is nearly done, you want to go ahead and taste your pot. I forgot I didn't add in my crushed pimento seeds, so I crushed some pimento seeds, added into it, and then I think I added about half a tablespoon of sugar as well, because it just tasted a little bit tart. You know, sometimes when your pot want one little bit of something, yeah, mine did want a little bit of sweetness, so I added that. And after this time, guys, the chicken is done. Nice, juicy, just reminds you so much of back home, like, you know, when the elders, they just cook up a pot of food gear. This is the one. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, and share the video. And if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now I served up this dish with some fried plantain. I cook up like a rice and peas, and my dinner was just delicious. Look at that, guys. My stewed chicken Jamaican style ready. Just breathtaking and just nice. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.